niya na lang ikaw kay Jollibee.
Hello, Gab. Gabi.
Ayan, may kasalanan ka ngayon. Tulog mo. Ikaw talaga? Okay, Sir Jollibee.
Saan pa tayo, Mike? Dito?
Ikaw lang.
Let us all say happy birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. For the lifetime, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Okay, so this is at the part of Trimati, that is the happy birthday. Okay, so once you're ready, go. Okay, Gabi, blow the candle, alright? So, baka mo yan. At pagsabi mo yun lang, sabi ni Jollibee. Okay. Siyempre mo, si Papi, ba without Mami and Daddy? Kung Mami and Daddy, birthday wish ko para kay Gabi. Mami?
Birthday wish ko kay Gabi. Sana maging healthy pa siya at hindi siyang lukoy. Lagi makita. Lukoy ka pa kasi. Kahit sa mabuti.
Ayan, so palapakan po natin yung birthday wish ni Mami. Siyempre, si Daddy and Daddy, so wala ng wish.
Si Gabi, sana mas magaling, paglaki niya mas magaling na sumayaw kay Jollibee. Sana mag-aaral na mabuti. Ha? Para top 10 ha.
Gabi may
Ayan, okay po, Gabi? Alright. Siyempre, ang kaibigan namin si Jollibee.